puti. Now, baba muna tayo dyan habang walang ibang tao para masunod natin yung picture. Okay? So, sis, picturean mo habang wala pang tao. Sis, huwag ka muna pumasok.
Make sure you use the hand railing. These rocks can be slippery.
Pasok na tayo.
Ron, stand by first.
Thank you. You can get 8 people in there comfortably. Get 8 people in. Eight people.
8 people, okay. Pasok na po tayo sa garden pool.
Okay. What I'm showing here, as you're coming down, I'll leave this up for a while. This is a diagram of what possibly will look like when it goes into
Bawal na doon sa loob?
Bawal na po rito.
Bawal mag-post.
Dito po basta ang entrance.
No
No
posting.
posting at the top entrance please. Wala. Wala magpo-post. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. Pasok tayo.
Okay. So this area is the preparation area ng body. You prepare the body here, and then you put the body there, and this is the waiting area. Okay.
Diyan nilagay
So dito, yan dito. So according sa mga archaeologists. Yes. Okay. So burial, waiting area, preparation of the body dito. Yan.
Gala.
Okay, picture.
Okay, yan po. Let's go.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, what a moment.